I'm Hadrien. I work at OpenZeppelin with the Solidity contract team. We build a lot of Solidity contracts for Builder, and recently we started building confidential contracts, so a variant of our offering that targets confidentiality using Zama as a core infrastructure as a backbone of confidential values. Builders want to build applications that are a bit like Lego castles, and we're the one providing the small bricks that you can assemble to build whatever you want. Unlike what most people think, like the blockchain is really an open and public space where everything can be observed by anyone, which doesn't meet all the requirements of some application, in particular of institutional actors. You don't want everything you do to be visible to everybody. FHE is a technology that's been discussed in this space for a long time. I remember discussing FHE's usage back in 2018. And now we are starting to see products that leverage that in production. Confidentiality growing will definitely be a major thing to help institution actor move to the blockchain, to have maybe interbank settlements that wants to remain private, or just to move some of our day-to-day finances. I don't want my purchase history to be visible to anyone. Privacy and confidentiality will definitely help us transfer legacy finance application to the blockchain and provide the right paradigm and the right approach